معلش خوي برضو ممنوع خوي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, how are you? How's it going? I am good, and you? Welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. Today we'll learn Arabic with movies and drama. And today we are in the playlist of Gulf dialect, Gulf or Khaleeji dialect. So we are in this playlist for today. We will use Gulf dialect, Khaleeji dialect, TV series or movies and drama to learn Arabic. Okay? So don't forget to check all the playlists because I have all the dialects in the playlist. Okay? So let's start.
معلش خوي معلش خوي معلش خوي معلش خوي
معلش أخوي معلش أخوي معلش أخوي معلش أخوي means معلش معلش means please please معلش معلش please أخوي أخوي أخو in Gulf dialect means brother أخو أخو is brother أخو but أخوي أخوي the yeah at the end أخوي my brother so أخوي is my brother together. Now the full sentence is معلش أخوي please my brother okay, let's take a look at the scene again.
معلش خوي معلش خوي معلش خوي معلش خوي.
Now let's go to the next scene.
طيب أنا بيدخل طيب أنا بيدخل طيب أنا بيدخل طيب أنا بيدخل
طيب أنا أبي أدخل طيب أنا أبي أدخل طيب أنا أبي أدخل طيب means okay or fine. طيب is okay or fine. أنا means I. أنا means I. So for now طيب fine or okay. أنا I. أبي here is not my father. Okay. أبي in Gulf dialect is I want. أبي I want أبي. طيب أنا أبي fine okay I want what أدخل it means to enter if the speaker is talking about himself. Okay, if I'm talking about myself it's أدخل to enter. Now together طيب أنا أبي أدخل okay fine I want to enter look at the guy holding his mobile number, yeah, with lights. He wants something. He wants something. Okay, so let's take a look to the scene again.
طيب أنا بيدخل طيب أنا بيدخل طيب أنا بيدخل طيب أنا بيدخل.
Now let's go to the next scene.
وين تبي تدخل وين تبي تدخل وين تبي تدخل وين تبي تدخل
وين تبي تدخل وين تبي تدخل وين تبي تدخل. When is where. تبي we said أبي is I want. تبي you want for a singular male. تبي you want when تبي تدخل it means to enter when you are talking to a singular male. To enter or enter, the verb simple present verb. So when تبي تدخل means where you want to enter. When تبي تدخل where you want to enter. Where you want to enter. وين تبي تدخل where you want to enter. Let's take a look to the scene again.
وين تبي تدخل؟ وين تبي تدخل؟ وين تبي تدخل؟ وين تبي تدخل؟
Now let's see the next scene.
أبي بنات أبي بنات أبي بنات أبي بنات.
أبي بنات أبي بنات أبي I want أبي I want. بنات بنات girls بنات girls. So this guy wants to enter the mall to flirt the girls. أبي بنات I want بنات girls. So أبي بنات together means I want girls. I want girls. Let's take a look to the scene again.
أبي بنات أبي بنات أبي بنات أبي بنات.
Now let's see the next scene.
برضو ممنوع أخوي. برضو ممنوع أخوي. برضو ممنوع أخوي. برضو ممنوع أخوي.
برضو ممنوع أخوي. برضو ممنوع أخوي. برضو means two. T-O-O. T-O-O. Two. برضو is two. ممنوع means not allowed. Not allowed. ممنوع. Not allowed. Not allowed. ممنوع. So برضو ممنوع. Two not allowed. أخوي. We talked about it. أخوي my brother. My brother. My brother. So the full meaning of it. The full meaning of برضو ممنوع أخوي means it's not allowed to. It's not allowed to. It's not allowed to. برضو ممنوع أخوي. It's not allowed to brother. It's not allowed to brother. برضو ممنوع أخوي. It's not allowed to my brother or brother. So let's take a look to the scene again.
برضو ممنوع أخوي. برضو ممنوع أخوي. برضو ممنوع أخوي. برضو ممنوع أخوي.
Okay, this is our lesson for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and follow my Facebook page. Don't forget to check all the playlists because I have all the dialects in the playlists. So see you tomorrow because I am here every day. Salam.